Hello guys, this is the fastest way to set up Facebook and Instagram sponsored ad. Boost your post, get followers, and sell any product. Okay, so you can get a lot of followers using little amount of money. So the first thing, after creating your new page, just like this one, which was created a few days ago, then you simply make like 3 posts. Then you begin to sponsor the post to get followers or to sell a product. So depending on the goal you wish to choose. So let's go with this. Let's say I want to boost this particular post now, and I want to get followers or engagement on my page. Okay, I will click on boost post. So once it has been loaded, you can see a lot of goal you wish to select, and you can click on more to see more of the goal. So our main objective here is to get followers for our page. Okay, your objective or goal might be to sell product, okay, but it's better to get some followers on if your page is new before you try to sell product. So always try to get followers first and likes before you try to sell. So the best option to get followers is to go with more engagement, this particular option here. So I will click on it. I will select the more engagement because I'm not trying to sell. I just want to get followers engagement on my page. So you skip all this step and you quickly come here to audience selection. You choose your audience. The automatic audience selection is already in here, which is 16 years to 65, 18 years to 65, and you can see the location is Nigeria. If you want to target US, you can change the location from here by simply clicking on edit. Okay, so you select the age and change everything, and the next thing is you go for your placement. Where do you want this ad to run? Is it both on Instagram and Facebook? Yes, you do it. So this now is showing you that this campaign is going to run on Instagram and also Facebook simultaneously. So if you did not connect your Instagram to Facebook, you will not see Instagram option here. So if you want to learn how to do that, check my YouTube channel at Opportunities Niche. You will see, go to the playlist Facebook ad tutorial. You see a lot of free tutorial on how to create your Facebook page, how to connect everything. And if you don't want to watch YouTube channel, you want me to teach you one-on-one on how to set up and connect everything together, you can also click on the WhatsApp chat button and you contact me. And also I also have a course if you want to learn everything about connection and running ads. Okay, now once you have done that, this campaign is going to run on this platform. I don't want it to run on Messenger, so I will select these two that I want it to run simultaneously. So now the next thing is the budget. So I will click on the budget. You can change budget by clicking change budget, and my budget for this like campaign is just maybe, let me say, 3,000 naira, and I want this campaign to run just 3,000 naira, and that is it. I will click backward. And 3,000 naira has been selected. So the duration for this campaign, I want to change the duration for 1 day. Yeah, it's 1 day already, but yours might be 7 days. I'll just change it to 1 day. You just click here and you change it to 1 day. So that's it. And the next thing is to select the ad account. You can see the ad account must be selected properly. Make sure you select the proper ad account. If you are a newbie, you have not created ad account, you will only have one, so it will definitely select that one. But for me, I have a lot of them, and I select this particular ad account. And now I will have to fund the ad account because the ad account is showing 0 naira, and to fund it, I will just click on payment method, and that is it. It will take you to the payment and you fund it, and the next thing is to hit the boost post now. So automatically your post will be boosted, and the objective, the goal you selected, will be what Facebook is looking for. So if your goal is not to get engagement, you want to sell, then you want to sell something, the goal you are going to select is going to be get more messages. Okay, you get more messages on your WhatsApp, on your DM, if is that the destination you selected. Okay, this is just a fast way to boost your account. If you want to learn proper ad selection, where you can select the first place that it will show on the video, you want to do proper targeting, you want to do proper audience selection, you save them for subsequent use, you have to go through the Facebook ad manager back end. Okay, not from here. This is just a quick way. And if you want to learn that, you can get my course, which is just 3,000 naira, or you can learn from my YouTube. Search Opportunities Niche, go to my YouTube channel, go to playlist Facebook ad tutorials. You see a lot of tutorials we have done on Facebook advertisement, and you will get everything there for free. But if you also want to hire me so that I'll be creating these things for you, manage your account. You can also offer such services for your company or for your brand. And also, if you want to learn one-on-one with me, we can go on Zoom, create these things for you, set it up so that anytime you come here, you just be selecting the audience that have been already be selected and created. Okay. All right, any services you want, you can do as well. Go to my YouTube channel, click the description of this video, you see my WhatsApp number there, you click on the link and you chat me. Thank you. I remain Zach at Opportunities Niche. Remember to like and also share this video to people who would like to sell online with Facebook sponsored advertisement. Thank you. See you in the next one.